Okay. So, good morning once again to everyone. Nishwa, again, your camera is off, bacha. So, who will tell me, raise your virtual hand, who will tell me what was our last topic? Dhyan Patel, why you not raising your hand? You don't know what was our last topic? I want the
We,
maximum amount of hand to be raised. What was our last topic, Dhyan Patel?
we did liter and millimeter.
That though is the complete topic. In the liter and milliliter, what we have done yesterday or the last class?
Ma'am, I say
The dozen mugs.
What?
Ma'am, I can say.
I
No.
can say
No, I can. No, I can. Raise your virtual hand. I can see everyone. I am asking from Dan Patel only. Dan, what was our last topic which we have done in the last class? He left the class or what? Yeah, Dan, what happened?
We did millimeter and milliliter and liter.
I know that we have done liter and milliliter, but in the liter and milliliter, which concept we were doing in the last class?
May I say?
I know the students, those who are leaving my class early, and I know the students, those who are not answering in the classes. Divit, you tell me what we have done in the last class.
We are done in the last class that one sum
Which sum?
milliliter and liter.
What was the which operation we
ma'am, may I?
And we have done multiplication.
Ma'am, may I?
मल्टीप्लिकेशन तो
May
कराया
I?
नहीं मैंने बच्चा.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I stop now? May
प्लीज
I?
May
अपनी
I?
कॉपीज को नोटबुक्स को थोड़ा सा रिफ्रेश. वेट, नो मे आई इन माय क्लास. ध्यान पटेल, टर्न योर कॉपीज, थोड़ा सा पेज ऊपर नीचे करके देखो. तो अब बताओ विच टॉपिक वी हैव डन, because you don't sit with your notebooks.
We have done multiplication.
No, I have not taught you multiplication till now.
Ma'am, may I?
Dania, you tell and then they will come to know what we are learning.
Ma'am, we had done addition of capacity.
Now you know, students. In last class, we have done addition of liters and milliliters, addition of capacity. Now we are going to do what will be the next operation in the liters and milliliters. Anyone guess?
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
can
Guess, Manya.
subtraction.
Manya.
subtraction.
If I'm calling one child name, everyone is Manya. From now onwards, it will be easy for me to call everyone with the same name. Yes, Manya.
Ma'am, we are going to do subtraction.
We are going to do subtraction today. So please write today's date in your notebook. Open the new page of your notebook. And Dhyan Patel, we are not here for sitting only. We are here for writing also. Take out your notebook, hold pen, pencil in your hand. Anay, please turn on your camera. Rajvi Lahoti, turn on your camera. You children know that if you keep your camera off, you will be graded according to that only. So it is your choice now. Write the topic, subtraction of capacity. And capacity is in liters and milliliters. Suppose I have a water in a bucket, that is, see, subtraction will come in your real life also. That's why we are learning subtraction of liters and milliliters. But you should know the rules of how to subtract. Suppose there is a water in the bucket, that is 19 liter water in a bucket and 725 milliliter water in a bucket. Out of that 19 liter, 725 milliliter, I have taken out some of the water, that is 13 liter 914 milliliter of water I have taken out from that bucket. How much water is left in that bucket? So how much left word is coming? So you need to subtract. Please always remember, when you are subtracting, you need to compare the which is the bigger unit. 19 liter is bigger or 13 liter is bigger. So here 19 liter is greater compared to 13 liter. We only compare from the liters, not from the milliliters. If you are clear that which liter is greater, 19 liter is greater, so the friend of 19 liter will only go along with that 19 liter. यहाँ पे आप interchange नहीं करोगे. You cannot say that 19 liter and 914 milliliter. It will be wrong. The friend of 19 liter will be in the milliliter, which is 725. मिलीलीटर में ऊपर बड़ा है, so we don't have any changes, उसमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, पर you need to check from the liter side. Always remember, in subtraction the bigger number will come first, then only possible to subtract. This concept is clear to everyone? Okay, now you can subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1.
Hello, ma'am. We have to write this.
Moksh, in the beginning only I told you notebook and you have to write today.
Ma'am,
We have to write this sum.
Yes.
ma'am, answer will be 8.
Ma'am, answer will be 8. Answer will be 5 liter and 11 ml.
Very good. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 7 minus 9 is possible. What we will do, Dhyan Patel, here 7 minus 9 is not possible. What we will do to subtract?
We have to take 9 and it will become 8 and 7 will become 17.
Yeah, it will become 8 and this will become 17. 17 minus 9 is what?
8.
8. 8 minus 5.
5.
Oh, sorry, 8 minus 3.
5.
1 minus 1.
0.
So we can call it as 5 liters, 811 milliliter.
Yes.
So how much water is left in the bucket?
5 liter
5 liter
and 800.
811 milliliter.
811 milliliters. Please copy it down fast. Fast. Can I erase the upper part, this one, the topic and the name of the chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope the board is clearly visible to you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Note down the second sum. 17 liter, 152 milliliter. Raise your virtual hand. I will call the child name. You will not say can I or may I. This is not my class rule. 17 liter, 152 milliliter, 53 liter. You write and also, because here we are not arranging in the column. After that we will arrange in the column. 17 liter, 152 milliliter and 53 liter, 350 milliliter. If you know the answer, how to solve it, raise your virtual hand.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we can write 17 liter, 152 milliliter, then subtract sign and 53 liter, 350.
No. Yes, you can write. But now first you need to arrange. Raise your virtual hand, Granth.
Ma'am, means we will write 7 liter, 152 milliliter in one line.
It is 17 liter.
Yes, ma'am, 17 liter. And
if you have a space, do continue. I don't have a space, so I am writing down.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Granth, when you are arranging them in the liter and milliliter? Which
Yes,
group
ma'am.
will come first? Because
53 liter, 350 milliliter.
so 53 will go in the liter and 350 will go in the milliliter.
Yes, ma'am.
Next child, Vishruth. Which group will come next now?
Ma'am, 17 liter, 152 milliliter.
Suchi Mali, subtract it and tell me the answer. 0 minus 2. Look here on the board, Suchi. 0 minus 2.
0.
0
10.
minus 2 is 0.
No, ma'am.
Then
Cut the 0 and write 10 and
10
cut
minus 2.
5. 10 minus 2 is 8.
Cut 5. What
5
I
will
will write?
cut 4.
4 minus 5.
It will not come, so we will cut the 4 and write 14.
14. 14 minus 5.
Means 9.
9. And this 3 will become
3 will become 2.
2 minus 1.
1.
3 minus 7.
Cut the 3 and write 13.
13 minus 7.
6. 6, ma'am.
Here
4.
4 minus 1.
Cut and 5 and 4 and 1 is 3.
So what will be the answer? 36 liter, 198
Sir
milliliter.
and sir.
Ma'am, by mistake I have written like means the first sum, so it's okay.
I don't know, Moksha, what you are saying.
Means I have not made columns and I have written 90s means
No problem.
liter and
But you are clear that you are writing in this way.
yes, ma'am.
Liter and milliliter is there along with the number, then no problem. Can I raise the board, students?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Dania, you give me one sum
Yes,
and
ma'am.
with the story problem. But I am not writing the story. I will solve the subtraction.
Yes, ma'am. 36 liter and 153 milliliter.
153 milliliter. And next group is
And next group is 42 liter and 172 milliliter. Ma'am, you stuck. Ma'am, you're stuck.
yeah, sorry. 172 milliliter. Now it's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we solve this?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first we will write 42 liter in the liter section. Then 153 milliliter.
Why? 42 का friend तो 172 है.
Yeah, 172 milliliter.
Yes.
And 42 liter.
42 I have already written. 36.
And 153 milliliter.
Ma'am, your screen is blur. Now
It will come within 1 or 2 minutes. Have some patience. Sometime it happened, bacha, because of network.
We'll cut 2 and do it. It will turn into 12.
Yes.
Then 12 minus 3, 9.
Please write down in your notebooks, everyone.
Then we will cut 7 and do it 6. Then 6 minus 5, 1. And 1 minus 1, 0. So 19 milliliter. And
Here,
4 minus 3.
this is not 4. We cannot do from here. We are
Yeah.
coming from the back only.
2 we will cut and do it 12. And 12 minus 6 is 6. Then we will cut 4 and do it 3. Then 3 minus 3, 0.
So how many liters and how many
6
milliliters?
liter, 19 milliliter.
Very good. Viva, are you understanding? Because you have not attended the addition class, no? I will send you the recording today.
Yes, ma'am. My ma'am has taught me my tuition, ma'am.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am. We have to write.
Yes, Moksh, what are you asking, bacha?
We have to write this because
Yes.
I want to wash.
Yes, yes. Now, Bhavya Sagar will give me one example based on subtraction.
Ma'am, please 1 minute. I am just writing.
Too fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait a minute. Let everyone complete, then I will ask. Nishwa, I think someone else is attending my class at your place. Nishwa and Anay and Jigar Singh. Please turn on your camera, students.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Wait a minute, let me take the attendance. Children, today I am going to send you the Google form based on the subtraction, the topic which we are doing today. And you have to solve all the sums in your notebook and click the final answer in the Google form. You know why I am sending the answers in the Google form? Because you will get the correct answer instantly. Got it, everyone? This is the reason of sending the Google form. Yes, can I erase now, students? Show me thumbs up, everyone.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bhavya, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
The examples which I am writing here on the board, everyone has to copy that examples, please. Yes, Bhavya.
Ma'am, 53 liter
Yes.
and 182 milliliter.
182 milliliter. And the next group is
145 liter
145 liter.
and 1
You can say single digit in the milliliter also, and then see the magic how we will arrange them.
and 9 liter.
Yes, 9 milliliter. Yes, excellent. Now see how we are going to solve it. This is also one of the method of solving. Only one digit is there. How to arrange it? See here, please pen pencil down. Put your pen pencil down. I will give you time to copy it down. So Bhavya, we make the column liter and milliliter.
Yes.
And in subtraction, which group will come first?
9 liter and 145 milliliter.
9 लीटर तो यहाँ पर कहीं पे नहीं है, 145 liters में है. You only told me, no? Now 145 liter and 9 milliliter. So 145 liter will go in the liters. Got it?
Yes.
Bhavya?
Yes.
And if I write with 145, 182 milliliter, because I can see 9 milliliter is smaller than the 182. Am I right or am I wrong?
Yes.
What? I'm right?
Right.
Am I right, students?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
I am wrong, Bhavya.
145 friend is 9 milliliter.
Yes, I am wrong here. Why? Because 145 liter friend is 9 milliliter. Friends will go together.
Yes.
So this I am writing wrong. 9 milliliter will go in the milliliter column. Now, I am writing 53 liter in the liters. So, am I right? I am writing correctly, students?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
You are wrong.
We will come in ones
Ma'am,
place.
No.
on the three will
Ma'am,
come on the
five
ones
will
place,
put in
and
four
five will come on the tens place.
Yes.
Yeah.
3 will come here and the 5 will come here and nothing is here. We put the 0. Now, 182 milliliter we write. And here before the 9 we write the 0.
Ma'am, we can means we can write only 53 liter, not at 0.
It's up to you. If you're not getting yourself confused nahi ho rahe ho, तो you can do only 53. Don't write 0 here. But for not creating any confusion, we can put 0 here also. Got it, everyone? 9 minus 2 is what, Bhavya? Bhavya Sagar, 9 minus 2.
9 minus 2, 7.
0 minus 8.
Ma'am, we have to cut the 5 and put 4. And we will cut the 0 and 9. And cut the 0 and 10.
10 minus 8.
2,
9 minus 1.
8,
4 minus 3.
1.
4 minus 5.
Ma'am, we will cut 1 and put 0. And 14.
14 minus 5.
9.
So what is the answer?
9 liter,
91 liter.
91 liter and 827 milliliter.
Yes. Yes, Tej Kumar, give me one sum.
Yes. 2 lakh.
2 lakh?
Ma'am, we can take
More.
more.
It will be not easy for you to subtract इतने बड़े digits को.
So, ma'am, I can take 1,000.
Yeah, 1,000 you can say take. You can take 100.
I have 55,000 liter and 500 milliliter.
Hmm.
Then
Wait, let everyone copy this. Then we will write. And the other students, please write at least one sum in the chat box with the answer.
Hello, ma'am. We have to write Tej Kumar's sum.
No.
Ma'am, we can only write the sum and the answer.
Yeah. Give me one sum in the chat box, everyone, with the
Ma'am,
answer.
okay.
Yes? No,
Now
Tej Kumar, wait, let everyone write this. Is my board visible clearly till the last?
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
In the chat box, we have to write the story.
Yes. Now we are doing with the story problems also. Please write the story problem based on subtraction.
Ma'am, I can just story problem.
Write it in the chat box.
Hello, ma'am. We
Once.
can only write the sum or we have to
No,
write.
no. Now write the story problem because some lot of practice we have done. Better
Ma'am,
write the story problems.
ma'am, I can just story problem.
Tej Kumar, write in the chat box. Nishwa, you are not there at your place, bacha. Nishwa. Please write the story problem, students. And write with the answer also. Is there any child who has completed the story problem? Yes, Danya.
Ma'am, I am writing in the chat box.
Okay. And read your story problem.
Ma'am, can I say?
Danya, read.
Yes, ma'am. I have 36 liter and 20 milliliter, and my dad gave me 25 liter, 15 milliliter. The answer is 11 liter, 5
Your-
milliliter.
But you are not writing any what you have to find out. You
Ma'am, I
have
can
36
tell
liter.
5
Tej Kumar, why don't you wait for
of
your
the
turn?
answer.
My class rule is not there. It is saying that you can say to the ma'am, can I? Yes, Danya.
I have 36 liter and 20 milliliter. My dad gave me 25 liter and 15
If your dad
milliliter.
gave you, it will be added. You need to write the last line that how much more my dad has given or how much more I have compared to my dad. That you can add this line. Okay. Yes, please prepare yourself. Manya, yes, try. Manya, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Please speak.
Meena has a bottle of a 246 liters
246 liter, okay.
and 567 milliliters. And Raj has a bottle of 136 liters and 35 milliliters. So when we subtract both the digits, so we get 110.
No, but what do you have to find out here? You say that who is having more and how much.
Yes, ma'am.
So here who is having more? Who is having more?
Meena is having more.
But how
more.
much? That you will find out by the subtraction. How much more?
The answer is 110 liters and 532 milliliters.
432. You said no, the Meena was having 246 liter and 567 milliliters. And then the other child is having 136 liter and 135 milliliter.
567.
Yeah, and the other child is 136 liter and 135 milliliter.
No,
Yeah,
ma'am, not 135.
Only 35.
Only 35 milliliters.
Then you correct.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, next child. Vishrut, make one story problem.
Yes, ma'am. 1 second. My laptop has so low charge.
Okay, Niva, story problem. Rajvi Nikhare, story problem. Moksha, you have to read your story problem.
Ma'am, you are
After
stuttering.
Rajvi Nikhare.
Ma'am, I have to read my story problem.
Yes, read.
Yes, ma'am. I have a bottle that contains 750 ml
Hmm.
and I drank 250 ml. So, how much water is left in my bottle?
Ma'am,
So, the
you are
answer will be
talking.
750 minus 250
Ma'am,
is equal to
you are
500 ml.
talking.
Very good.
In my
Which child is saying,
bottle.
ma'am, your awaj is cutting? Which child is this?
Ma'am, David.
Ma'am, can I say the question now the story problem?
Yes, please say.
Yes, my story problem is I have 500 milliliter of one bottle
Hmm.
and my friend gave me 250 milliliter bottle. So
Hmm.
how much it will left?
नो इट विल लेफ्ट तो बचेगा ही नहीं, फ्रेंड ने भी दिया तो वो तो ऐड हो जाएगा. You already have 500 ml, your friend gave you 250 ml, then it
Ma'am,
will be added in your water. You say I have given to my friend 250.
ma'am,
सभी उसमें से कोई चीज आप सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हो, निकालते हो किसी में से, then only subtraction is possible. No, add करते हो तो subtraction possible नहीं है. Got it?
got it, ma'am.
So if you have in your water bottle there is a 500 ml water and you have given to your friend 250 ml water. So how
Yes.
much is left with you now?
So we have it will be answer 250.
Yeah. So you will need to frame the story problem this way. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next other child. Yes, Sej Kumar.
Ma'am, Sonu purchased a can of 50 liter and 155 milliliter, and Monu has 65 liter and 163 milliliter. So how much can oil is left? So now I have
Left
to.
तो होगा ही नहीं बच्चा इसमें. Sonu is having 50 liter and 155. Monu is having 65 and 63. How much left मतलब कैसे हुआ? जब आप उसको निकालोगे, so you will say from Sonu, the Monu has taken this much. How much is left with the Sonu or Monu, जिसका भी greater है.
Okay.
थोड़ी स्टोरी प्रॉब्लम में स्टोरी आपको बनाना आना बहुत कंपलसरी है, राइट? द वर्ड्स विच यू आर यूजिंग.
Ma'am,
Yes, Vedant,
Ma'am,
take the story problem.
ma'am, ma'am, I purchased the juice bottle that contains 50 ml of juice. I drank 35 ml. I drank 35 ml and the remaining will be 15 ml.
Very good. This is the way you need to frame the story problems. Yes, Jigar Singh.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I bought a soft drink of 50, 350 ml, and I left 100 150 ml.
So you can say the 150 ml is left in the bottle
Yes.
and how much you drank. So how much you drank? 350
Ma'am,
minus 150 is the 200 ml. आपने 200 ml पिया, right? Got
yes.
it? Yes. Next child. Moksh is done already. Yes, Suchi Mali. Suchi, are you ready? Vihan Dobaria.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, my story problem is correct now.
Can you please speak?
Yes, ma'am. I have 36 liter and 200 milliliter in the in the jug, and I drink 1 liter and 5 milliliter. How much is left with me? The answer is 35 liter and 15 milliliter.
It was 36 liter and 200 milliliter or 20 milliliter?
20 milliliter.
20 milliliter. Okay. Yeah. So it is 35 liter, 15 milliliter. Right. Next is who is left. Nishwa is not turning on her camera today. I know Vedant. Can one more child will try? Bhavya Saga, last you will try, and then we end up the class.
Ma'am, can I say?
No, Bhavya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please speak. Make one story problem. At least 2 story problem based on subtraction. You need to write your story problems in your notebook.
Ma'am, can I make?
Yes, Divit.
I bought.
Boutly brought or
I
bought.
bought 6-liter kheer and 614 ml.
Yes.
And my brother bought 4-liter 14 ml.
Wow.
So,
Which
So,
one I also forgot.
so now you will say who is having more and how much.
Ma'am, I say.
You having more and how much you have more by subtraction you can find out. Okay.
Okay, ma'am, I can find and see.
Okay. After the thank you students for today's class. I will send you a Google form.
Okay, ma'am.
Next class.
Ma'am.
Next class. Thank you.
But where do I put this? I have it
No,
in the
no.
chat.
No need to post.